Hello, welcome guys. When I first time read that Mr. James Gosling named Java when he saw a cup of coffee had produced a hot stream. Hot stream? It means it will be a complicated language, I assumed. And we know that Java was not so easy. Just configuring JDK and printing the hello world in CLI mode was first assignment for newbie. And was running Java code in web server Tomcat like we did for JSP servlet. It was not a handy dandy, but after running Java Spring Boot, you can configure it in 5 minutes on your web server. Wow, so easy. Come and check it out with me. Just type boot initialize, click on Spring Initialize. And download the JDK, but let me check the version first. The new one is 18, but we go with the 17. Okay, so here are the just configuration for Java. Mm, Let me change the group with any unique name like the Davis and demo. Okay, also we need to change it to a tutorial and demo project. Okay, it should be the demo tutorial. For Java Spring Boot. Okay, make sure you should download the same JDK, either 17 the latest. So I already configured. You need to check your things before running this. Okay, so I had to add the dependency in the Spring Wave, and I should also add any driver for the like MySQL. Let me check. Okay, so this one image SQL. Okay, let me remove it first because we are just checking the things, so we don't need right now the MySQL driver and the other thing. Okay, here's the my either ID IntelliJ, but you can add whatever you like. So what you feel the convenience. Here is the directory uh, we created for the tutorial. And language Java type maven. Maven is the like dependency like we use for the run the command for like we run the node.js is the npm, so it's the same like. And here is the JDK 17 in Java version. Okay, so we had the just web dependency. Okay, in web. So also in here we need to check that Spring Web. Okay, create a project. And the nice thing is here it will download all dependencies in itself auto and let the synchronize. Okay, done. Okay, so here is the version, the dependency 17. Great. And here we can also check, but don't need right now to check this. The source Java in the tutorial application. Okay, so we can check the source as well. pom.xml. Here's the all configuration in this. We can change the version and yeah, make sure you should have the same version in your pom.xml and your on your dependencies. So great. So let me create new file as the greeting controller. Okay, so here the rest controller before the date class is the annotation. So we just have the method for date greeting controller class is public greeting. We don't any parameters, so let it then greeting and return. We should any string like hello. This is the Java Spring Boot tutorial. Okay, it's showing the like red void. No, we are a string. So yeah, it's gone, and we can have like any form type of method. We can either put or the post, get, delete anything we can. But right now we just to check the default method is the get. Okay, so we use the annotation like get mapping with where the URL like welcome. Okay, so let me build and check the errors. If we have any errors, we can, if we can't encounter any error, we can resolve it. But it seems fine, successfully built. Okay, great. Let me run it. Okay, Tomcat Initialize port 8080. Okay, away some, and let me check that port. Yeah, localhost colon 8080 wide level error page. Oh yeah, so we had the slash welcome page. Yeah, okay, and that's great, but we can check, it should be the like greeting URL. So let me change it greeting, and right now no need to build, just run it. It will go built by the ID. Same error, white label error. Okay, let me change the greeting. Alright, yeah, same. So we changed the greeting. So here is it. It is so easy. Right now you can configure your things in Java. Please comment and give me feedback what you need the next. Thank you so much.